Thank you, everyone. How's the Josh? Let me do a part of hosting as well. Yeah. People may doubt what you say, but they have to believe what you deliver. And to everyone here, we have delivered, friends. We have delivered. We have delivered SIWPC Global. We have delivered TCEI Event Excellence Awards to the new scale. We have delivered a magnum opus, which is now the talk of the country. And I thank everyone for making this historic moment for every one of us. Thank you, everyone. I would like to start again from when I say people may doubt, because 4 casual friends who were actually contractors, they were not even event managers, late Dr. Neeraj Thakur, myself, Venkatesh Akulapalli, if he is around, and Sudhakar, MK Sudhakar. 4 friends, casually, contractors, being service providers, had this idea to form an association. And when we started founding, many doubted, many raised concerns, many raised questions. Where will they go ahead for? They are not event managers. They are not the direct chain of the event fraternity. There were so many things. What will they do? There's somebody who's just a vendor. But I think it's all of us, the founding team, I must say, then joined with us, where we had the great event managers, the great of the supply system, great of the event fraternity who have joined us. And हम यूं ही चलते गए, लोग जुड़ते गए और कारवा बनता गया और ये कारवा बनता ही रहेगा. So let's all give it up for TCEI and the associations of TCEI. We are an umbrella association with more than 7 different associations with us, which amalgamate us. We have Telangana Event Managers Association and event facilitators, event caterers, event venues, sound and light, and entertainers association and LED vendors association. We founded, and it's been now 9th year, and as we entered the decennial celebrations, we wouldn't have asked for a better entry than what's happening and what everyone is witnessing for the past one day. TCEI today stands with more than 440 members, and we have a great predominant presence with a substantial stake in all event management associations across the country. We have also recently forged alliance with many regional associations as a part of EMA National Initiative, and we all try to come together, and we are now a part of 21 associations together, where we actually a united strength of TCEI or any association for that matter is more than 2,000 strong network. We are trying to forge alliances and escalate the levels of event management domains, event management in terms of education, event management in terms of safety standards and other implications, which shortly you all can be a part of, and you will definitely witness that. So we are there, and we have been envisaging this from very naive beginning, and the members who are the core strength of TCEI have always been a great support of the system. Coming to SIWPC, which concluded today afternoon, I think majority of here have seen what a team can deliver. Can we have a big shout for the team of SIWPC Global 2023, please? We have the convener also here, so he should hear it louder. Please, can we have a big shout? SIWPC Global and TCEI Event Excellence Awards, these 2 events have been hand in hand, I must say, in a very, very unique, interesting fashion. We had 2 conveners who actually had a healthy competition among themselves to show the best. And I think everyone is witnessing that, where both of the events stand on par with each other. The kind of detailing, the kind of production, the kind of the way, the regulation of traffic, the regulation of delegates, everything is going hand in hand. I must say, my role in SIWPC Global and even in TCEI Event Excellence Awards stand minimal, because the entire projects, the entire planning, the entire operations has done by the respective conveners, Shravan Madiraju for SIWPC Global and Ram Uppanna for TCEI Event Excellence Award. My job was the toughest rather, but the job was art of balancing. So my job was art of balancing people, art of balancing mindsets, which is, I think many of you are aware, being an association, how difficult it is. So we have the awards now. I don't want to waste a lot of time for everyone out here. One thing I would want everyone to be assured, the awards, in fact, TCEI awards always have this distinction of having a very, very transparent, schematic, organized process where we have very, very selective jury members who are IRS members, IAS officers, directors of some very reputed institutes, and the process is well tabulated, and we even have some backups in case somebody has anything. Our General Secretary Ravi Bura Saab has always been very helpful in explaining where and what, how the awards have been awarded. I'd like to congratulate all the award entries, because when you have applied for an award entry, it itself is a testimony and it itself is a proof of the victory, because you have already come aboard. Coming to the award, we always believe it's either I win or I learn. It's never a lose. So for all those who will win tonight, best wishes, and for all those who are learning tonight, will definitely see the best what you can try to fill in to see you in the next colorful laurels next year. We have received more than 170 entries for Pearl of Hyderabad category. It's a big achievement. Earlier we were having 60, 70, and we have received more than 130 awards for the Gem of 130 entries for the Gem of India. So put together, we have received more than 300 entries, which is a phenomenal number for ever before in TCEI we have received. We have 52 categories of Pearl of Hyderabad to be given. We have 50 categories of Gem of India to be awarded. And we also still have few 30 or 25 unapplied categories. I would like to bring all of your attention to those unapplied categories. Please don't ever, for the next seasons, do look into our websites thoroughly, and please try to apply as many as possible. We would want to appreciate everyone's contribution, and we would want you all to give the best. We have also special recognitions such as Jade of Hyderabad, which is given for somebody who has achieved a distinction in their career. We have something which is Lifetime Achievement Award, and which is for a very, very special person who has given their lifetime for event industry. We have Kohinoor of Hyderabad, which is always every year awarded for any event in Hyderabad which brings the Hyderabad a global acclaim. And Kohinoor of Hyderabad is not an award, it is a recognition which is awarded by a jury. We also have the special recognitions in some categories which we feel, and also, as many of you are aware, we have recently one of our ASMC, Shivani Dhar, has passed away. So from next year, in her memory, as a tribute to Shivani, we are going to announce another recognition for an upcoming MC who will be recognized as the most promising Shivani Dhar MC of the year category, which will be there from the next year onwards. I would not take much time because I know we are already late, and my convener is already giving me a scary look from there. So let's get the award started. And Ram, all for you. All the best for the awards conveners, the co-conveners, Ali Khadar and Sudhakar from Full Circle. And all the best, team. Please rock. Thank you. Looking forward. Thanks. Thanks, everyone.